With you, yeah? Hi, yeah, I'm Dmitry Koshniruk. I'm Consul General of Ukraine in San Francisco, and of course Nevada and Las Vegas is also our part of our area. And we're here with the Ukrainian pavilion at the CUAV Expo because Ukraine is the country in the world which actually made the drone industry much larger than it was. And not because we wanted to, but we had to at the beginning of the war in 2022. But we so much developed that, and thanks to the role of our government, of our state, which did not create bureaucracy, but actually diminish all the bureaucracy as possible, and made it possible for our new technologies, new innovations in drones, first of all, to be tested like in a few weeks. You should not wait months or even years like it happens here in the US or in some other countries in the world. And with that reason, we have right now about 2,000 drone producers in Ukraine, small and medium-sized companies, not like the large ones, but who scale up very quickly. And with the cooperation with American companies who invest, who co-produce, they can succeed. And also we see that a lot of American companies are coming to test what they produce here in Ukraine because it's much faster for them. They should not wait for FAA approvals for a long time. They can just come see, and something which they produce and they think that it works, it appears not to be working as they expected. So this actually provides opportunity for not just for Ukraine but for our US partners to accelerate their production, their innovation in many times. So we have here the producers of different drones which are dual use basically, which have been proved very effective in Ukraine, and it's seen and recognized by all the world. And we want to share that. We want to show how Ukraine managed to succeed in these 3 years, basically a lot. And these can be, we can exchange our experience with the United States can exchange experience with us, and I think together we can be more successful than our, for example, Chinese and of course Russian versions.